I pull up in foreign whips. Hey, touch your leg with my fingertips. You looking in that rear view. Yeah, do you listen, then you blow a kiss. It's something about the way that your silhouette do a pirouette, the form of two naked bodies in bed. Yeah, a bee sting only for a taste. The spring revives whatever went until you ever feel it was never real. Like everything we built was only time to kill. I never was the one to rely on. And if you're up, leave a light on.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel, Gang Fam Squad. What is up? So today we are going to be building, or attempt to be building, a custom floor for the GTR. Something a little showy, nothing too over the top. But we're off the 5-gallon setup. You saw a couple videos ago we ended up running 2 twin 3-gallon tanks from AccuAir. So we are going to be building a floor for that. But let's sketch something up real quick and see what we're doing. So let's see if we can get most of this done in one video. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Disclaimer, I'm not the best carpenter in the world, but we'll try to figure it out. So without further ado, let's get started. Gang Fam Squad, thanks for watching. Peace.
Let you in my circle, me got a style like Urkel. I made a band, then I curved you. Yeah, pull up and we lit. Looking for the exit just in case they fucking switch. I can't love no hoe, I swear to God. Pull up in a hoodie in July. Yeah, Benny front, let's fall, hopping out the fraud. Yeah, no, you cannot call, you in on my dog. And my homie catch a case, we gon' be alright. Yeah, ain't no time for stressing when the money right. If you talk to her, she's manners, alright, sir. Lots of paper like some planners, alright, sir. Back go, we call it back go, we max up. 10 toes, so we stack up, yeah. Oh yeah, we stack up, yeah. Oh yeah, we stack up, yeah. Hey, yeah, we stack up. Yeah, we stack up. We should keep in touch. We can talk whenever you want. I can call whenever you want. You can call it whatever you want. Yeah, got my bands up. If you talk to her, she's manners, alright, sir. Lots of paper like some planners, alright, sir. Back go, we call it back go, we max up. 10 toes, so we stack up, yeah. Oh yeah, we stack up, yeah. Oh yeah, we stack up, yeah. Hey, yeah, we stack up. Yeah, we stack up.
Got my bands up. If you talk to her, she's manners, alright, sir. Lots of paper like some planners, alright, sir. Back go, we call it back go, max up. 10 toes, so we stack up, yeah. Oh yeah, we stack up, yeah. Oh yeah, we stack up, yeah. Hey, yeah, we stack up. Yeah, we stack up.
About time I'm coming, we fall, rock bottom in the sand. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. If I had life, if I ain't budge, what about time for this anxious, for this much life, for my father and my poor days, what it cost me. And she archives that gossip, how you drown out salt water. Go home now, sayonara. Go home now, sayonara. You wasted, I'm facing you power, no patience. And we work it out at night, that's a great shift. If we took another shot, would you chase it? Not enough poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach. reach far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. And the shit still bothers me. And the shit still bothers me. In December running nose cold shoulder. Not enough, gonna need that dosa. Need that dosa. Seen it all and I swear that show sucks. Give me a call if you need that dollar.
So, we are shaking. One moment. So we have the boxes built, we have the floors built. The fitment is actually very good. Now we are going to pull the tanks out, pull the boxes back out. We're going to go over it with the Dremel, and we are going to basically sand down all the edges instead of doing it by hand. And that will make the fitment even better. We do need some room because we are going to wrap the wood in a leather, and I don't even have the leather, so we're not doing it today. So the goal of today is pretty much get everything fit, make everything look good. The only issue at hand that I'll have, this is the back piece that holds onto the back of the truck. As you can see from a sideways angle, it's like divoted. So I'm probably gonna have to cut into the back at an angle to fit this line, and it's obnoxious because the top sticks out way more, as you can see right there. So we'll have to figure out something for that. I don't want to cut any OEM pizzas. OEM pizzas. Holy shit, I don't want to cut any OEM pieces because this probably costs as much as my house. So without further ado, let's pull this stuff off, start grinding on it. So basically all you guys missed was a bunch of sanding that I saved you the hassle of watching. We're going to go over it again with a belt sander in the morning, but we are going to wrap it up here for that. Side note, I filmed my friend Drew's Evo X that we literally just bagged, and by we I mean he, and I just filmed that, so if you guys want to take a look at it, it will be here.
About time I'm coming. We fall, rock bottom in the sand. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by.
Also, we go to our next convention show in Pittsburgh on the 16th. And a lot of homies are going to be there for that, so that's going to be sick. And that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Next pickup will probably be us wrapping that floor after we all get it fitted. And I don't really know what the next move is after that. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost at 3,200 already, so thank you guys for that as well. I want to try to hit 45 by the end of the year. Anyways, that's the goal. If you're new, what's up? Thank you for watching. If you've been here for a while, I appreciate all the OGs. So, you know, signing off for this one. So, until the next time, Gang Fam Squad. Peace out.
Although my heart may be weak, it's not alone. It's grown with each new experience, and it's found a home with all the friends I've made. I've become part of their heart just as they've become a part of mine. And if they think of me now and then, if they don't forget me, then our hearts will be one. I don't need a weapon.
Yeah.
My friends are my power.